Born and raised in Tampa Bay, I clearly can't get enough of what this area has to offer. Growing up, I had a love for dance. As a dancer, I learned early on that it takes fierce commitment to excel and grow. In high school, I started my first job as a part-time teller at a bank. After graduating, I continued working for the bank, and by the time I was 20 years old, I was promoted to the branch manager. Being able to mentor others and help them succeed was the most rewarding aspect of my job. I decided to step back from my job in banking after becoming a mom to stay at home with my children. As they became older, I was ready to go back to work, but really wanted something that would excite me. After having a not so great experience personally, I decided on real estate. In 2009, I started my real estate career with BHHS Florida Properties Group and couldn't imagine a better business partner to help guide me in my new career. I knew real estate was more than selling houses, and I wanted a company that would help me be a successful entrepreneur. My team would describe me as loyal, fiercely committed to them, and a little OCD. I'm definitely a systems girl. My husband and I have a family of 9, 3 daughters, 2 sons, and 2 dogs, so I know a thing or two about being organized and handling chaos. As the market president of our Brandon office, I pride myself on making sure my team is coached for what's coming, not what's already here. Having a genuine relationship with everyone on my team, giving them a fun place to call their work home, and a passion to see every single member of my team succeed is what fuels me. I firmly believe you need to have more faith than fear, be all in with everything you do, and always look to lift others up. If you're looking for a partner that will personalize a plan to support your growth, I welcome you to our Brandon tribe. Together, we are better. Wouldn't you agree?